Houston, South Texas, USA, experienced severe flooding after hours of torrential rains, bringing traffic to a near-total standstill and disrupting daily life in many neighborhoods. Local authorities reported that rainwater flooded highways and major streets, forcing many residents to abandon their cars and seek higher ground. Emergency crews also intervened to rescue those trapped in vehicles and low-lying homes. Meteorologists warned of continued flooding risks with more rain expected in the coming days, urging residents to exercise caution and stay away from floodwaters.
Get out! Get out of your car!
Oh my God!
There you go.
Houston is one of the most vulnerable American cities to such natural disasters due to its geographical location and humid climate. It has previously experienced hurricanes and violent rainstorms that have had a significant impact on infrastructure and the local economy. Authorities confirmed their continued efforts to secure affected areas and provide urgent support to families forced to evacuate, while federal officials called for strengthening drainage systems and infrastructure to cope with the increasing severity of weather events. Please support us by liking and subscribing to the channel to receive all that is new. Thank you.
Door closed, keep the door closed. Whoa! Whoa! What? Where's Viv? Where's Viv? Alright, you good? You good? Oh my God. Jake, are you okay? Coming in! Get out of here! Look, that's like 5 feet up. Door closed, keep the door closed. Whoa! Whoa! What? Where's Viv? Where's Viv? Alright, you good? You good? Oh my God. Jake, are you okay? Coming in! Get out of here!